guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the good news about COVID-19. We have the first country, we have the first vaccine happening today already, this morning in the UK. So I'll show you the video of the first woman. She's called Margaret Keenan. She lives in the UK and she's getting the first vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine. And that is a nurse giving her injection, and her name is May. So I'll show you the good news. Yeah, and hopefully this is the solution of our problem globally.
Few minutes, the UK's mass vaccination programme against coronavirus has begun.
This is Margaret Keenan, who you can see there. She is 90, she's 91 next week actually. She was the first person to receive the Pfizer-BioNTech jab at the University College Hospital in Coventry. That's one of 70 hospitals around the UK which will be giving the vaccine to over 80s and some health and care staff. And the Prime Minister has called it a huge step forward in the fight against the disease.
This is quite a moment. This, as you can see, is the first person in the UK to receive the vaccine. Margaret's been a patient at Coventry Hospital, as Dan said. She's 91 next week. She's told staff this jab feels like an early birthday present. The nurse delivering the jab, you can see there, is matron May Parsons, and that has just happened within the last few minutes. These pictures that we're bringing to you have just come into us here this morning. Margaret, of course, she's known as Maggie, happy to share this moment with the rest of the world.
It's quite a special moment actually, isn't it? So as Sally was saying, it's her birthday next year. She was born in Enniskillen. She's lived in Coventry for 60 years. She worked in a jewellery shop, local jewellery shop, until she was in her mid-80s. But this is all part of the largest ever vaccination programme across the NHS. And the aim is to start with Maggie, but for millions of us to be vaccinated against coronavirus.
She will, of course, because of the jab she's having, she will have another jab 21 days from now. So what we've seen there is just the moment that Maggie got the first injection of the vaccine. 2 doses, as we know, need to be administered, one today and another one in 21 days' time.
And like many other people across the UK, Maggie's been self-isolating for most of the year, and she says she's planning on having a very small family bubble at Christmas to keep safe.
And this is the moment of truth. And I'm so proud to be in this country, and I'm so proud for the people in Great Britain to get this COVID-19. And Margaret, she's so lucky to have this first COVID-19 vaccine. And very proud of the government in UK, the scientists and the inventors for the discovery of this vaccine. And well done to the Pfizer, which is the drug company that produces this vaccine. And we are one of the priorities. Because I'm a nurse, so I work in the front line, so I'll be the priority to get this vaccine, and I'm so excited to have it. And I'll tell you guys what my experience for this, and I'll tell you when I'm getting it. So today, I'm just very happy to share to you that we have it in the UK, the very first country. So congratulations, and I hope we will be getting it soon, and I'm so excited for it. And I will share you my experience when I get this vaccine. Again, congratulations, and guys, stay tuned and I'll give you an update. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Like, comment, and subscribe!